Today I'll show you how to add music directly to your WhatsApp status step by step, and yep, we'll take a proper look at the new song picker interface too. Whether you're sharing a vibe, a memory, or just feeling a certain type of way, this feature is a total game changer. So WhatsApp finally listened. The latest update now lets us add actual songs to our status updates. No more workarounds or screen record in Spotify. They've rolled out a built-in song picker which works a bit like Instagram's music feature. You can browse tracks, preview them, and choose the exact part of the song you want to share. So open up WhatsApp and then tap on the plus symbol or add status, then select a picture or a video, and you'll now see a music icon. Tap that. You'll land in the new song picker interface, and you can browse trending tracks, search for specific songs, and preview before selecting. Tap on a song you like, then drag to select the 15-second segment you want. Once selected, it will show you a visual waveform, and you can add text or emoji overlays if you like. Tap the send button and boom, it's live on your status. The new song picker is super visual. You'll see categories like trending, genres, recently used. It's fast, clean, and doesn't feel laggy like some other apps, which I really appreciate. You can also preview the lyrics for some tracks if they're available. Alright, so picking the right part of the song makes all the difference. Here are a few quick tips. Choose a hook or chorus that captures the mood. If you're sharing a moment or photo with music, time it with that moment for impact. Avoid slow intros unless it's part of the vibe you're going for, and just make it count and have fun with it.